It can control 12-volt DC motors, 12-volt alarms, 5-volt LEDs. Alright, so this is our main star today. It's the QAR011, a mini wireless remote control switch. Check out its wide operating voltage, from 36 to 24 volts. And it handles up to 2 amperes. So, that means it's super versatile, not just for lights, but for motors too, which is pretty handy. This module only has 4 wires. On the left, power input lines. And on the right, those are output lines. The blue wire is for the positive output, and the white wire is for the negative output. These connect directly to the load we're controlling, like the positive and negative terminals of your LED light. Once the load is connected, let's hook up the power. Red for positive, and black for negative, and just like that, we're all set. You'll find a learning button on top. That's for pairing it with 7 different control modes, or for a reset. Click the learning button of the receiver once. The indicator light turns on. Press the button on the remote control. The indicator light turns off. The momentary mode is set successfully. Press and hold the remote control button. LED turns on. Release the remote control button. LED turns off. Click the learning button of the receiver twice. Press the button on the remote control once. The toggle mode is set successfully. Press the remote control button and the LED turns on. Press the remote control button again and the LED turns off. Click the learning button on the receiver 3 times. Wait for the indicator light to turn on. Press the button on the remote control once. Press another button off on the same remote control. The latching mode is set successfully. Press the remote control button on and the LED turns on. Press the remote control button off and the LED turns off. Press the learning button on the receiver 4 times. The indicator light lights up. Then, press any button on your remote once. And the delay off 5-second mode is now successfully set. Now, for the different delay options. Press the learning button 4 times for a 5-second delay before it turns off. Press it 5 times, and it turns off after 10 seconds. Hit it 6 times for a 15-second delay before it turns off. And if you press it 7 times, it turns off after 20 seconds. Press the learning button on the receiver 8 times. The indicator light flashes, then turns off. Reset successful. All previously paired remotes are now inactive. If you want to use this remote again, you must repair it. Finally, note this is the only way to clear paired remotes. We also have modules with black spring antennas. Both these modules output the same voltage you input. There's also a dry contact module, which features a super compact relay. If you want to learn about the other 2 wireless modules, leave a comment below. I prioritize making videos based on your comments. Alright, thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget.